People are always talking about negative PC airflow, but what does that even mean, and should yours be set up that way? There is a lot of information and a lot of debates about PC fans. How many you should have, where they should be in your case, what direction they should be. And one of these fan topics that is brought up pretty consistently is negative PC airflow. I think a lot of the fan information is sort of overhyped, but I do think this one is worth paying attention to and at least worth knowing. Negative PC airflow or negative pressure just means that you have more exhaust fans versus intake fans installed inside your PC. Remember, exhaust fans are normal fans and they are pushing hot air out of your case, and intake fans or reverse fans are pulling cool air in. Having more exhaust fans versus intake fans usually means that your PC is better able to distribute hot air and it can push it out better, so it means your components usually stay cooler. However, the downside to negative airflow is that it can pull in more dust just through the cracks and the gaps in your PC case. I feel like most builds I see on TikTok right now are 3 to 4 exhaust fans and 2 to 3 intake fans, which would be negative pressure. But believe it or not, positive pressure is actually the tried and true and most popular method. And that just means you have more intake fans versus exhaust fans. Personally, I think there's instances where negative pressure makes more sense and instances where positive pressure makes more sense. And a lot of that really depends on your PC case too, like how many chambers does it have? Is there a front mesh panel? Do you have air filters in it? But honestly, I think most PC components are pretty good at cooling themselves nowadays, so I don't think if you have the wrong configuration, it's a make or break anymore. Do you have a positive pressure PC or a negative pressure PC? Let me know in the comments.